1,200 meters away.
13.
Oh, the word.
Stop! Don't say it. Stop. Oh gosh, I know you're just doing it to make me angry.
Hi, what up?
Me. I can't hear it. Maybe it's kind of far away now. Or,
I
do you think
didn't.
it's
I didn't even notice.
Oh really? I saw it in the background. It's really
Okay.
cute. Well, not cute. It's pretty.
Yeah,
It's
it's
pretty.
huge thunder.
It's huge. I think we have to cross here.
Okay.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6,
It's changing the right. Are you sure to
8,
cross?
9, 10,
It's changing.
11.
Run! Run!
Look at you running. Wow, look at you. Are you scared?
Yeah. Drinking a little and chatting just like myself for Miyagi. Nice.
Who said that?
One of the viewers.
Oh, wait. Oh, Ghost printing it.
Miyagi?
Miyagi?
Yeah.
Oh, Miyagi said it.
Oh no, the person is going to Miyagi.
Oh, wait. Who's going to Miyagi?
Aya. She.
Oh,
I don't think you know her.
maybe. Are you excited for Miyagi? There's so much thunder. It's scary.
Yeah, but it's not raining though.
Yeah, that's true.
She said she's going there for work.
Oh, okay.
Not like
Not
trip.
tourism.
Yeah.
Okay. Have fun. I mean, I've been there once. It was nice.
Good.
I hope you, yeah. It's in Kyushu, right?
I'm not good at like map
This is
stuff.
your country.
Yeah, I know, but I'm not good at it. Not really. It's a business trip. Yeah. I told her now.
I hope you can have some time to enjoy Miyagi.
She introduced herself.
You can read it for me. I can't read. His text is so small.
She said, "Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I'm Aya, half
Aya.
Japanese."
Oh, okay. Nice to meet you. I'm Milky, not Japanese.
I'm going with type Oji-san.
Oh,
She said.
that's not gonna be fun. Good luck. Oh, is this Harajuku?
Oh, 1980.
Wow. Yeah, Harajuku's changed. Look at that. Looks cool.
Yeah. I don't know if it was like I don't know, gang.
That's crazy. Playboy. Oh, they have Playboy girls too. Playboy bunnies. Wow. And then there's people dancing like what do you call it? You see like these
Yeah.
people? Like what are they called? I can't
I
remember.
don't remember too, but
Yeah.
I know what you mean.
Yeah, they still have them. They dance on Sunday.
Yeah, I remember. 56 years old.
1990. Yeah, Harajuku girls are starting.
Yeah.
You see the trend, the Harajuku girl trend is starting. Yeah, kawaii, here we go. Harajuku's